Hey guys, it's Dennis here with Team The Bureau, and in today's video we're gonna give you a quick tip how to have accurate data between the network, Facebook Ads Manager and the tracker. So let's have a look. Hello to everyone and welcome back to our channel. So today's video is gonna be just a quick tip showing you how to have accurate data between the network, Facebook Ads Manager and the tracker. So it's gonna be a really quick video. So let's jump to the next slide, which is this one here. So a quick tip. So if you would like to have accurate data between all three platforms, you set up the same time zones for all platforms. So if you go to Maxbounty and let's assume that you are in Australia, Sydney, so time zone is GMT plus 10. So you're gonna go to Maxbounty settings and you're gonna set up for a Sydney time zone. And you're gonna do the same inside your ads manager. And if you're using any traffic software, let's say Volume, so you're gonna do that the same as well. So this means that you have accurate data in the same time zones. So why would you do that? So I have listed. So first one is if you are doing an additional time range analytics to have a lot more accurate data. So let's say that you are analyzing the data between the affiliate network, let's say Maxbounty, and your ads manager. And you want to know exactly how much you spent for the last 7 days on Facebook ads and how many leads or conversions you got for the same time range, right? So that would be a reason number one. And the second one is, let's say that you are using a 3-day rule for testing phase to check your campaign's profitability. So especially if you are using sub-IDs for tracking. So with that, I mean that you are using sub-IDs within your affiliate networks to track which ad set gives you the conversions, right? So you are not using a tracking software. So in this case, it's gonna be much easier for you when you are analyzing the 3-day rule. So that's mean 3 day of testing phase to have accurate data of how many conversions you got per each ad set, which is gonna help you to analyze the data and to know if the ad set is profitable or unprofitable. But if you're using a traffic software, you're gonna get all that information within the dashboard where you see the reports for that particular campaign, right? So you can change all 3 settings in just a couple of minutes to get the accurate data you actually need. So hopefully you got some value from this video. So that would be everything for today. And if you have any additional questions, like always, just type it below into the comment section and we will help you with that. So thank you for watching and see you tomorrow with a new video.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dice University. Dice University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dice University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, Volume, Adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.